So I took the radio out. This is from 16 and up. There's a non-amplifier system. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this wire, the speaker wire right here and right there. We're gonna run it to this 4-channel line out converter right there. So basically this color right there, I'm gonna talk about later. And then you got the yellow wire for power, black for ground, and then remote right here. So I don't install much of this model right there, but this is only 4-channel output line out converter that I have. I'm not sure the brown wire yet, but we'll figure it out at the end of the video. So I'm just basically running the 2 RCA jack right there to the back, and then the 9-wire conductor, and I ran the power wire from the front over here underneath here all the way to the back. I got everything hooked up already, so I'm gonna basically tell you the coloring. So here we go on the thick wire with the power and everything. So I got the yellow wire, which is 12 volt. I hook it up to the white right there, right next to the that's a hot color to see, gray. That's accessory right there. So the yellow from the line out converter, which is 12 volt, go to the white right there. And then I got the speaker wire, which is the white. Now this is gonna be the same. The one I cut, basically I cut about 5 inches on top right here, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna hook up the white to the violet and black, and then violet and white, white black to the white and violet. So it's gonna look like this, as you can see. You look in the back, look like that. So now I got the top one, see this top where the clip is at, the gray to the purple or violet red, and then gray black to the violet and dark green right there. So now for the rear speaker, I'm gonna hook up the green wire, as you can see that's solid green, to the white of the blue plug, and then green black to the black, and then I got the purple, which is positive, hook it up to the blue, and then purple black to the green. Same thing as over here, you just match the same color, whatever green. This is the one that go to the amp. This is where the amp send the signal to all the speakers. And then you just, the ground wire would be the white and black right there. If you can look right there, I don't know what pin that is. It's right next to the purple and white. It's white black is the black or ground wire. For the power, basically you need a 12mm socket or combination wrench right here. You want to put it right there and pull it, but while you pull it, you want to have your other finger or hands holding right here so you don't break any of these battery posts right here. So take that out and put it right in, and then screw it back in. For the ground, I sand it, grind it really good, and this is number whatever that is, it's number 14. Take seat belt off and just mount the ground out here and screw it back in. This is a bigger one, so I had to cut this and split it to make like a spade terminal for that ground. After this, the 9-wire conductor, which consists of the remote wire. You put the blue wire over here. You put the white on one channel and gray on one channel. Make sure the one with the black stripe is a negative, and then the green, and then the purple, which is the amp 2. This is amp 1, amp 2. Basically, you got power from the battery going here, and then the ground, what I mentioned earlier. And then also you want to put 2 jacks, one jack here and one jack there, and then you can adjust the sound however you wish for, but do not put on low pass because you'll burn the speaker up. This is for the 4-channel only. So this is how to install a 4-channel amplifier, and it's a little bit more work, but I undercharge the customer, but it's all right. It happens sometime. Took me about 2.5 hours.